They can't see you, they cost you money, dump her. That girl not be your girlfriend. She's not in a relationship with you, she did in a business with you. Now why everything dey involve money? If every time you want invite your girlfriend come your house now, you come to check your account balance to know whether you get enough money to pay package the day for the period of time when she go dey your house before you fit invite her come. Bro, that one no be relationship. Then when you check your account balance, you not come get money, you go to say, babe, not come again. You come dey wait till better money enter your hand before you fit invite her come your house. That's not a relationship. Do you know the danger of building a relationship with money? What of the days when you not go get? Because as a man, some days they don't be say nothing dey your hand.
They didn't like you.
Which means in the absence of money, your relationship will collapse. And you're not supposed to dey like that. You can't explain the gift girl wey not get the reason why you not fit dey give her money. And sometimes I ask myself as a boy, say, boys not dey say I get money pass with the relationship. Ask yourself as a boy now. As you dey now, you get car, you get your own house. You get money when you dey earn money. But some boys dey wey not get all those things, but they still get girlfriend. So that's what I tell you say, relationship nothing relate to relationship. The only thing wey relationship dey offer na love. The only thing wey relationship dey offer na love. Relationship have nothing to do with money. Because women dey date poor men, and no poor men wey get 7 wives. Abi, why your own case different? If their presence in your life is costing you money, dump them. This is 2046. One boy reach out to me. He say he buy this type of food give a girlfriend. So now the girl dey disturb us make he buy am this type. Now where 30 promise don rain come. So he come dey tell us say money no dey. The girl come dey stress this boy, dey give the boy attitude. I tell the boy say dump that girl. Because no allow people pressure. Their presence in your life supposed to give you peace, not pressure. This is 2026. If she not fit buy data, dump her. If she not fit pay her transport fare, dump her. Buy food for me, dump her. Buy me phone, dump her. Send me money to make her, dump her. If this girl not fit do all these things by herself, now sign say she never qualify to date a man. She's not qualified to date a man, because the moment you dey add this person, they join your life, you are adding responsibility to your life. And you as a young boy, when they come up, you need all those money when you want to package again for your own set. One of the days they say go and make money, go and make money. I'm not saying go and make money so you will pack the money give woman. No, go and make money to take care of yourself. So that not be when maybe one girl now go dey smile, they look me now. That same girl, you go talk to the girl not go smile for you. Go dey look and say, and you go say get jelly, and why the girl dey smile for her? No. Make money for yourself. So you go increase your value in a society, because as a man, now money dey increase your value in a society. Don't let anybody deceive you. The more money you have, the more value you have in a society. Don't let anybody deceive you. Money and man are the same thing. They don't separate man and money. I talk about these things every day. Bro, these guys don't really need money like that. So now prick the needle. And the truth is that the reason why many of you they worship all these guys, because you they fear. If I not do this thing for this girl, now what if she leave me? Now scarcity mindset be that. And as a man, you're not supposed to operate like that, because when God creates this world, now only man God create. Man come this world, you not meet woman, but it's survival. But there's no time when woman come this world, we say not meet man. No. The first time when woman exists for her life, the first person when she seen a man. No. But man come this world, survive alone without the presence of a woman. So you feel do this thing by yourself. And I see many of them, they find them when they follow you, they struggle, you they suffer. And must somebody suffer with you? Can't you suffer alone? For the first thing, they find person who won't suffer with you. Now, aside you two, you never even reach, you're supposed to define woman. Go and focus on your life. The biggest asset you have as a man is time. And the thing when they pay me, many of them, they waste this time with some kind of girls who be saying they get advantage over you. They born woman with value, but you as a man, they born you with no value. Now you go use your hand to create your own value as a man. And that girl, when they follow, they move around so one boy when they walk on a life, that guy finish, he go come and carry that girl from you, he go marry her. That small girl, don't talk big man wife. Because say she marry big man, automatically she's a big woman. But you not get that advantage. No woman will go from no place like go carry this boy. He's so cute, go carry you, go marry you, go turn into big man. No. It's very easy for man to turn girl to big woman than for woman to turn boy to big man. The biggest asset you have is time. Use your time well. Go and take focus on yourself. I know what you say they drive my GLE now. I can't stop one girl, I like the girl, and the girl can't smile for me. That same girl, you can't talk to the girl. She can't squeeze for you. You can't say, and because I not get money, they get GLE, and why the girl they run follow her. Not be money make her run follow me. Not be money, because women they date poor men. Poor men get wives. They get 7 wives. So the only two way relationship they offer. Now love, sweet word. So if this guy is coming into your life, and it cost you something, that's not relationship. Now job that girl need, go and look for a job for her. Relationship not dey come with money. Relationship dey come with love, romance, kissing, sweet word, good night messages, emotional support, communication, messages. I love you too. Tell me you love me, good night. Na wetin relationship dey come with be that. So if the girl is looking for relationship wey go come with money, na job she need. That's transactional relationship. So go and look for a job for her, employ her. Let her work for you, then you pay her monthly salary. You fit do am. I fit employ you for my hotel if you no wan be my girlfriend. You work for me, I pay you monthly. So why should I pay you because you are my girlfriend? Why? Why? Okay, see, many of all these girls don't really get options the way many of una dey think o. Because they see the scarcity mindset women of una dey get. You go see girl the way this girl hot fine, they no get boyfriend. Then they cry. One girl meet me, the girl dey cry. Give me a rub your prick for my toto. I surprised. See make I rub am. She dey tell me say for the past how many months, boy breeze never even touch her before. So when she come see me, she dey beg me say abeg, I don't want make you date me. Just rub your prick on top my toto. This girl, before I look at this girl, grab me o. She go dey rub my, she hold am, the thing never even stand o. She go dey rub am for the toto. She dey rub am. She say abeg, even if you no enter inside, abeg just take hammer the toto for me. Boy. Before I look at this girl, grab am small because as I dey surprised, the thing no go gree dey. Na no go dey start because I no dey in the mood. If I look at this girl, they use the rubber, the thing go dey stand small. Say okay, hammer for me. No one not get work. Bro, I focus on the toto. I begin to use the prick and knock out. Boy. Say man no put the prick inside the toto. Say man just the rub. Say she just want to feel out some of the toto. I can't use the rub it. I got the rubber small for the some of the toto. The rubber. I cannot get work again. As I hold them, I can't just say, boy.